Did you know albino rats are missing something that normal rats have? Well, that changes everything. Today we are talking about why albino rats are white. A lot of people think albino rats are a completely different species from brown or black rats, but they're actually not. They are still rats. The big difference is genetics. Albino rats have what scientists call a genetic mutation. Specifically, they lack something called melanin. Now, melanin is the pigment responsible for color in the skin, fur, and eyes. Humans have melanin too. It's what gives different skin tones, hair colors, and eye colors. Normal rats produce melanin, which is why you see brown rats, black rats, gray rats, and mixed colors. But albino rats cannot properly produce melanin because of a mutation in certain genes involved in pigment production. So without melanin, their fur appears white. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Their eyes are not actually red. What you're seeing is the blood vessels inside the eye showing through because there is no dark pigment covering them. That's why their eyes look pink or red. And because they lack pigment, albino rats are also more sensitive to bright light. That's one reason many albino rats prefer dim environments or darker corners. Now, something many people don't know is that albinism is not unique to rats. It happens in many animals: snakes, rabbits, mice, dogs, birds, and even humans. But in rats, the white fur and red eyes became very noticeable, which made them famous worldwide. Another interesting thing is that albino rats are usually domesticated and bred carefully by humans. So the ones you see as pets or in laboratories are very different from wild rats. Wild rats usually need dark fur for camouflage and survival. A bright white rat in the wild would be spotted quickly by predators. So in nature, being albino can actually make survival harder. But under human care, they are protected and bred safely. And over time, albino rats became one of the most recognized rat varieties in the world. So the next time you see an albino rat, remember that white fur is genetics, that red eye color is caused by lack of pigment, and their entire appearance is basically biology on display.